In this video, we're going to add new content pages and question pages to a Flow project. First, what we're going to do, though, is do a quick recap of how to start a project from scratch. This is the Create New Project screen. We're going to select Flow because we want to make a responsive project. We're going to go ahead and select the Modern Learning Player. And then we're just going to use a blank theme, or start off with a blank slate, if you will. And you'll notice right away that we have a blank page. And we have our project outline set up right here with our project, with the default name, the first default module, and the first learning object with the first blank page that we chose. Obviously, you're going to want to add more pages as well as add content onto those pages, but we're not going to do content in this particular video. That will come up in a later video. In this one, we're going to select the icon for inserting a new page in this middle column here underneath New. So this will be a new page. This will give us the Add a Page flyout. You can select any of the pre-formatted blank templates that has different types of setups, and each one of these gray areas is a placeholder, and then you could go ahead and put your content there. This is one way that you can do it. Or you can select multiple different types of pages that are already predefined with some different interesting designs applied to them already. And you can click through all of these to find a particular one that you'd like to start with, or if you'd rather just go with the blank layouts and just basically start to get a structure in place, then you can go with one of these. We'll go ahead and select one of these. And let's go with the header and the content. So we'll just click Insert. You'll notice that you have header and a blank content. These are your placeholders on your page. So these are what we call content pages. And they sit in the hierarchy here between as part of the learning object, and the test questions folder is also part of the learning object. But visually in this outline, your content pages will sit between the test questions folder and the title of your learning object. Right underneath the Insert a Content page, you can insert a question page. And so we're going to select from the blank option here as well. Click As Question. This becomes important when we get to the sections on the difference between a test question page versus a practice question page. But for the sake of this video, I only wanted to show you how to add a new content page as well as add a test question page. These two buttons right here are how you get that done, and you can see how they are structured in the learning object.